What's going on, everybody? As always, it's a blessing to be here. I'm UL with UL Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse, the Crypto Caressa. Don't you ever forget that. So before we continue, I'd just like to say something real quick. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel with the bell notification icon so you can be notified every single time I post information-packed videos just like this one and more to come. The next goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. That's the next milestone. And today's topic, if you're in the space of crypto, you've probably noticed the panic going on, all the FUD going on as well. And we'll be talking about cryptocurrencies having a flash crash, having a flash sale. And that's today's topic. And we'll be taking a look at not three, but four things. Number one being El Salvador making Bitcoin as their legal tender currency. And number two being the rumors having it with that El Salvador teamed up with a whale to bring Bitcoin prices down, which leads to every other coins to fall. That's the number two thing. Then the number three thing will be whales selling to buy in at a better price. And the number four thing, we'll take a look at technical analysis aspect of the flash crash, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as always, thank you for clicking on this video. Without no further ado, let's get right into this beautiful video after this beautiful intro.
4x, everything is 4x.
Alright guys, so the first thing we already spoke about, we'll be taking a look at, is El Salvador making Bitcoin as their legal tender currency. And they have posted a video about it. Let me see if I can pull it up on Twitter. Making the first exchange in Starbucks, which is kind of crazy but funny as well, nonetheless. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, there we go.
Sería un pumpkin spice frappuccino grande con leche de almendra, un bacon cruda y un americano grande. Su total sería de 13 por 10.
Perfecto. Ahí está. Listo. Te va a salir a vos.
Sí, hoy sí está aprobado.
Perfecto. Gracias.
But that's the first thing. So they made it their legal tender currency, which means that anything that Bitcoin goes through, for example, let's say this is Bitcoin, simple example. We have agreed, and we're in El Salvador, we all have agreed that this will be the tender currency, which means if you have this, then you have the currency of this country. So that's what they agreed upon, and that may have an effect with the price falling as well, which will come into the second thing, is that El Salvador has teamed up with whales to bring Bitcoin prices down. So which whale is it? We don't know. And these are just rumors that they have teamed up with a whale. But if they have teamed up with a whale, it must be a very, very strong whale, as we like to say, in this cryptocurrency, because those whales have the power to move the markets. But at the end of the day, they're not the only ones moving it. It might not be just El Salvador trying to bring Bitcoin prices so they can buy more. There was a news that came out yesterday saying El Salvador purchased 200 Bitcoin, equivalent to 10 million, and the price by now has probably fell to probably about 7 million, 8 million, hovering because of the flash crash crypto has had. And as crazy as it is, the rumors have been confirming to be true slowly because prices have been falling. And as we get to the third thing, that whales selling to buy in a better price, it correlates with El Salvador, that El Salvador has contacted whales to bring Bitcoin prices down. But at the same time, the whales have also trying to bring Bitcoin prices down because they would want a better entry themselves. So if they're helping another country out in a change, then that's cool with it, but they're coming more profits than they're spending. And every investor's mind is, if I'm putting something, or if I'm putting an initial investment into something, then what's my interim or what's my goal result? because that interim result would mean that your ROI, return on investment, is definitely significant and more than your initial investment. And that's why whales always win. Not always, but more time they win. That's why they're in the position that they're in. So continuing on to the number 4 thing, which is the technical analysis aspect of the flash crash. So if we go down here, Ethereum fall is 23.89% downfall from $3,954 to $3,010. Again, and about $1,000 loss. And if we go to Dogecoin, we can also see came down to around 30%, 29.76% from 30 cents to 21 cents. So about, again, 100%. So again, about the same amount of loss as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Same thing we see here with ADA. Come to September 7. About 30% from $2.84 to $2.01. So about the same, like 90% fall, even though it's 29%. From that range, it fell about 9 or 8 cents, which is a lot in this market, which corresponds to being 29.09, rounding it up to 30% downfall. So just be careful when you trade in these markets. Let's go back to Bitcoin. So as always, be careful when you trade in these markets. But my next Bitcoin place or spot for it to come down is to fully fill this wick and make a strong resistance at $45,105, then keep pushing up the trend. If it doesn't do that, the next fall will come down to $37,199. But we'll see the current markets and we'll see where they're proceeding, and I'll keep you guys updated as always. And without no further ado, I'm UL with UL Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse at the Crypto Caressa. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this content with your family and friends. Anybody that are interested or that wants to be well versed in the crypto markets, in the Forex markets, or the stock markets. So thank you so much again. I'm UL with UL Exchange. I'm the Forex Finesse at the Crypto Caressa. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I surrender right now. I surrender right now. I surrender right now. Jesus turns my